Listen, if you think AI is taking jobs, you're wrong. It's actually creating a massive money gap between two types of people. Keycap 1, the ones who use AI. And Keycap 2, the ones who get replaced by the people who use AI. Hey creators, welcome to Future Hustle AI. If you want to turn AI into real income, you're in the right place. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how people are quietly making $1,000 per day using ChatGPT even if they have zero skills, zero followers, and zero starting money. If you're in the USA, this video might literally change your monthly income. So watch this till the end. Let's go. Part 1: The Big Truth: Why ChatGPT can make you $1,000 per day. If you've been watching the news lately, you already know. Businesses, companies, freelancers, YouTubers, agencies, marketers, everyone is rushing to use AI. But here's the part nobody tells you: AI didn't replace work. AI replaced slow work. And right now, the number of people who know how to use ChatGPT strategically is extremely small. Meaning, demand is insane. Supply is tiny. Perfect money-making environment, ***. There are 5 major money-making models that people in the USA are currently using to generate $300 to $1,000 per day with ChatGPT. Today, I'll break down each model, real examples, the exact prompts, and how to start today. Part 2: Method number 1: AI freelancing, zero skills needed. Freelancing has exploded since AI came in. USA-based clients are paying huge money because they want fast results. Here's the money breakdown. AI blog writing $50 to $150 per article. AI email writing $20 to $50. AI social media content $300 to $800 per month, per client. AI script writing $30 to $100 per script. AI SEO writing $100 to $250 per article. If you take just 5 quick projects per day, that's easily $300, $600 per day and scaling to $1,000 per day is totally realistic. Where to get clients? Fiverr. Upwork. People per hour. Contra. Facebook business groups. Reddit, subreddits like r/for-hire. Exact ChatGPT prompt for writing a client-ready article. Write a 1,500-word SEO-optimized article in a friendly but professional tone for a US audience on the topic: how to increase sales using AI tools. Make it bold in structure, include subheadings, bullet points, stats, and an actionable CTA at the end. Exact ChatGPT prompt for social media content pack. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for a USA-based fitness coach on Instagram. Include caption ideas, trending reels concepts, hashtags, and posting times optimized for EST. Why this method works? USA clients want speed. ChatGPT gives you superpower speed. Part 3: Method 2: AI YouTube automation, the fastest scaling to $1,000 per day. YouTube automation. You make videos without showing your face, without recording your voice. ChatGPT writes the script. AI voice reads. AI videos are generated. Editing apps assemble everything. Income comes from ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, sponsors. Why AI makes it easy? 1 script 10 minutes. 1 video 30 minutes. Upload daily, grow fast in USA. High income niches for USA. AI tools/AI money. Personal finance. Tech gadgets. Motivational business stories. Celebrity luxury lifestyles. Amazon FBA/dropshipping. Car reviews. Real estate and side hustles. Exact ChatGPT prompt for a viral script. Write a 7-minute YouTube script in a fast-paced, high-retention style for a US audience on the topic. 10 AI tools that can make you $500 per day in 2025. Include emotional hooks, data-backed claims, storytelling, and a CTA at the end. Money potential. Once your channel hits 100K views/day, $150, $400 per day. 500K views/day, $800 AL, $1,500/day. $1,000 per day is totally possible in the USA niche. By the way, if you want to use the exact AI tools I personally recommend for writing scripts, editing videos, automating content, and even designing thumbnails, I've added my favorite AI tools in the description below. Those are affiliate links, but it costs you nothing extra and it supports this channel so I can keep making free tutorials for you. So after this video, scroll down and check out those tools. They'll save you hours every single day. Part 4 Method 3 AI TikTok Instagram Reels Faceless Pages. This method is exploding right now in USA. Here's how the money flows. Viral Reels, millions of views. Add Amazon affiliate links. Promote AI tools. Promote your YouTube channel. Sell templates. Sell Notion files. Promote digital products. People are making $500, $3,000/day just from affiliate commissions. What you need: ChatGPT for scripts, CapCut templates, AI voice, stock footage, exact prompt for viral short script. Write a 12-second viral TikTok/reel hook for a US audience about how to make money using ChatGPT on weekends only. Make it punchy, fast-paced, curiosity-driven, and controversial. Why it works. USA audience loves. Speed plus hacks plus money plus AI. Part 5 Method 4 Selling AI Templates Digital Products. This is one of the most profitable methods. Create templates once. Sell forever. What to sell? ChatGPT prompts. Business email templates. YouTube scripts pack. Resume/CV templates. Notion planners. Content calendars. Product descriptions pack. Where to sell? Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip, Shopify. Price range: $5 to $49. If you sell just 30 products/day at $20, $600 per day. 50 products/day at $20, $1,000 per day. Exact prompt to create a sellable template pack. Create a 50 prompt premium template pack titled ChatGPT 2025 Business Automation Pack. Focus on sales, copywriting, emails, scripts, SEO, and social media. Formatted neatly and professionally for USA digital buyers. Part 6 Method 5 AI Consulting, High Ticket $300, $1,500 per client. USA small businesses need AI because they want automation. They want faster customer support. They want more sales. They want better emails. They want cheap content. You can offer AI chatbot setup, AI content automation, AI CRM email setup, AI SEO strategy. Example: a local USA dentist pays $500, $1,500 for website copy rewrite, email automation, social media content calendar, AI FAQ chatbot. You can build all these using ChatGPT. Prompt for creating a business offer. Create a high-ticket service package for small US businesses called AI Business Accelerator. Include chatbot setup, email automation, SEO blogs, social posts, and 30-day implementation timeline. Part 7 How to combine all 5 methods into $1,000 per day. If you start like this: morning, 2 freelancing orders, $100 or $200. Afternoon, make 1 YouTube video, $20 to $100, grows daily. Evening, sell 3 to 5 templates, $60 to $150. Night, Reels, get affiliate clicks, $50 to $300. Your total $300 to $800 per day in the beginning. And as the YouTube plus affiliate plus templates grow, you hit $1,000 per day consistently. This is exactly how USA creators are doing it. Part 8 Exact Roadmap 7 Days to Start Earning ***. Day 1. Set up your niche plus tools. YouTube, Reels, Fiverr, Gumroad. Day 2. Create 3 template packs. Day 3. Create 1 YouTube video using ChatGPT script. Day 4. Post 5 Reels with AI voice. Day 5. Set up Fiverr gigs. Day 6. Post second YouTube video plus 5 Reels. Day 7. Start sending offers to USA businesses. And if you genuinely want to start earning fast, don't guess which AI tools to use. I've already listed the top income generating tools in the description with special trial links. Those affiliate links help support this channel, and most of them come with free trials, so you can start without spending money. Go check them out before they expire. Look, ChatGPT isn't magic. It doesn't make money for you. It makes money with you. And the people who learn to use it right now will be 10 steps ahead of everyone else in the next 12 months. If you want a full copy-paste prompt pack for making money with ChatGPT, comment AI money and I'll drop it in the next video. Subscribe if you want part 2.